Absolutely love having built-in cabinetry and our stackable laundry. What I cannot stand is trying to do the maintenance to clean the vent. I really can't access it back here, and my only access point is here, and it's been so hard to get to. We've literally had to permanently tape it, so I have to undo that in order to clean this vent and keep maintenance up. Hence, this is a solution I'm super excited about. It's magnetic. So this screws into the wall in the exact same place as here. And then this connects to the hose magnetically. So when it's time to clean the vent, you can just magnetically separate these, clean it out, and put it back together, and you don't have to deal with this kind of stuff anymore. Here's a close-up of the wall unit. This slides into the wall. It does have a little bit of padding on the back for any noise from vibration, which I do like. It is super solid. This is the part that goes into the vent, and so when it comes together, it really snatches, and then you just simply have to pull them apart. And it is a tight magnet. I mean, you can hear it really come together, so I don't foresee any issues with the wind and air and vent, everything moving through this, but I also love that I don't have to undo the tape. Another thing I actually really like is how this clamps around these vent wires. A lot of times these are really annoying, but this actually just has a rotating mechanism that tightens it, and then when it's time for vent cleaning, you can loosen it, and that's on both ends, so that really helps keep the maintenance a lot easier. Super pleased with that. It does come with everything you need. I think I'm going to keep my existing vent unless it's just completely gross on the inside, but really I'm pleased with the first impression of this and can't wait to get it installed.